Gold yesterday has hit the highs at 2670 to 74, struggled to break past, while today the day has started on a greater bullish note and we have seen gold already hitting 2690-91, the next target levels, while silver has struggled a bit on the we have seen slight bearishness yesterday, while today it has posted a little recovery. What can we expect now from gold and silver today? How we can profit? Where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade with profit, trade with logic, trade with confidence. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till what has happened here on the early charts for gold. Look at this. It has taken the support from the 20 period. It has waited for the 20 period to climb up, again taken the support, and now it is giving a breakout. Already it has seen the highs here. It has come towards the next resistance zone at 2691. Now for the day, 2691 indeed is a good resistance. I have mentioned yesterday as well. And now the support levels, the resistance levels yesterday at 2670 to 74 is going to be the support for the, and then the most important support for the day is now at 2668.70. So if and only if you see gold trading below 2668.70 zone, you can say now it is turning bearish. Then again 2660 and then 2648.53 key levels it has on the downside in order to turn bearish. It is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and that is why we can see a little pullback here. Yes, the stochastic is back to overbought levels. The MACD is trading with divergence now, looking upwards. RSI is back to overbought zone as well. So indicators are getting it slightly overbought, but I will still say not yet completely giving up. It has still room for further upside. Now look at the move here. See, rise retracement, and see it has seen the highs. It should retrace, but it is not showing any signs here. We have to wait. We have to wait for a reversal confirmation, and the reversal confirmation today is only and only if it trades below 2668.70 zone. Now look at the formation. See, it has struggled here 72 74, then retrace. It has formed a base now at 2668. That is the first level it needs to break, and then 2660 and then 2648.50. So three levels. Only and only if gold breaks this level, you can say that it is turning bearish, else it is still not bearish here. It is trading very much in this bullish channel looking upwards. Moving averages have crossed over. These are also trading with divergence looking upwards, staying bullish. The stochastic at top, the MACD at top here. Remember, the my worry point is the top it has seen. It appears that there is greater resistance here on the upside. See, stronger rise, a flat move suggests that that possibility of a further breakout appears difficult. There is a chance of a reversal from here. The RSI is overbought here. Coming to three, look at 3-hour charts here. Similar observation. See, look at the highs. Highs are beautifully aligned. If you connect these ones, you will find this is the narrower channel and this is the broader channel in which it is trying to trade. So the bottom of this broader channel is towards 2660, 2648.50, while for the narrow channel is towards 2668.70. So these are the key levels which you should watch out for. Any move towards this zone certainly is a sign of further bearish. Next thing is on the upside 2691. 92, the greater resistance here. Beyond this, we are looking forward to 2700. Yes, the critical level here, which appears to be difficult to break as of now. It appears so. It might try to stay in zone before moving towards 2700 again. Stochastic overbought. MACD is definitely, it has seen a very good rise. The chances of a reversal increases from here. The RSI is overbought as well. Coming to 4-hour, see on the 4-hour charts, one single bullish candle and it has seen the highs here. Now it has seen the highs of this channel. Now at this point we have to watch out with caution. Now 2691 is going to be one critical resistance for it to break past by, and on the downside 2668.70, very clear. Yes, it is overbought, and also we have seen a good rise here on MACD on the 4-hour charts. Now there are chances, or you can see I will say that probability of a reversal from these levels increases. Definitely it is going to be difficult for it to sustain this bullish momentum for a while, but on the downside also I can see a good support coming in. RSI is back to overbought levels here as well. Coming to on the daily chart, see, I have mentioned here, this is a reversal sign. This is the beauty of charts. They speak in advance. I've said diminishing bearishness, reversal, and what has happened, stronger bullish momentum has prevailed. Now notice the point that it has erased all the losses from last week. The last week It has started from this point, it has come down to the same point again, in fact has breached past and achieved higher levels here. So this is one very important thing to note. Second thing is the resistance. You can see the double top levels here, 27 10 12 should not be taken at any point of time. Even if it tries to stay bullish, I think it is going to be difficult for gold to break this zone, 2710 2712 zone, because beyond 2710 2712 the next targets are towards 2750 levels. Yes, the next targets are too high, too far. Now if you look at the daily charts, you will find that certainly it is delivering higher lows and higher highs, and it is trying to trade. Look at the body size, almost same, and thus at this point we have to watch out, because see, current candle can be a strong, as you can see, three bullish candle. The fourth one could be a breakout or could be a strongerly massively bullish candle. While at the same time you should note, as long as it stays now below 2691, chances of reversal from here can also be expected. When I say reversal, means a red candle, which means as and how it breaks past the support levels here on the downside, specifically below 2648.50, we are going to look forward to a greater correction. Yes, the stochastic overbought, but look at MACD. It is crossed over here. It is trading with divergence. It is looking upwards, and at this point, it suggests that it is on the verge of a reversal, where we can see a stronger rally for the near term. The RSI is rising. So, looking at this, what I will recommend is buy 2691. Expect 2698, 2700 levels as the first target levels, and then beyond this 2708, 2710 levels will appear. Ideally it should not break 2710 levels, but yes, if it breaks 2710, we can look forward to a greater up move here. This is the first point for the day on the buy side. Before I give you the selling levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry here at 2682 levels. Expect 2676 78 as the first target zone, 2672 as the next. And if it breaks below 2668, the third one, you can say the bears will take over. So 2668 is going to be the prime support for the day. Below 2668 is where the bears are waiting. You can look forward to 2660, 2648.50. Any drop below 2648.50 is a sign of reversal. Chances for such a strong move appears to be less. Thus take your positions accordingly. Now let's move towards silver. Silver on the early chart, see what it did. It is trading in this moderately bearish channel. See, it has breached past the 3080 levels. It has moved close to 3060, failing to break this again, trying to bounce back. Now see, after hitting the lows, a retracement, then again a retracement, and again a rise. So it is trading in this. After this drop, it is trading under the retracement zone. Now it is very critical, and I have mentioned this yesterday, I have mentioned this day before. It is very important for silver to break beyond 3120 3140 zone. That is the only level above which you can say now silver is turning bullish. As long as 3120 3140 is not taken, we should not be treating silver as bullish here. Now see what is happening here. Higher lows, higher highs. Let it break below 3080 3060 zone here on the downside, which is going to remain the prime support for the day. Below 3060 is where the bears are waiting. Stochastic rising. The MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trying to bounce back. RSI comfortable here. Coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, a flat base is created, two bullish candles. I will wait for it to break beyond 3120 levels, 3140 levels. That is the only level above which I will say the bulls will be taking over. As long as these levels are not taken, we have to be careful here on the upside. The stochastic is rising. The MACD has seen good enough bearishness, waiting for it to converge, crossover. The RSI is rising here. Coming to 3 hour. On the 3 hour charts, look at this. See, it is creating stronger supports here on the downside, while it is also delivering lower highs. So yes, this is trading in this moderately bearish channel. So after the drop, it is trading in this bearish channel, creating lower lows, lower highs. And see, the moving averages have now crossed over. So the zone at 3120 is first resistance till 3140. In fact, till 3160 silver has got a stronger resistance. Remember what is happening. Notice the movement here. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now also it has breached this channel. It has come out of this channel. Thus it is very important for it to break this channel here. That is a move beyond 3120 3140. is where the bulls will be taking over. Right now, I do not see that strength here. The stochastic is rising, the MACD is trading bearish, the RSI is dropped. On the 4-hour charts, now on the 4-hour charts, interestingly, diminishing bearishness and first bullish candle. Now see, it has formed a base here and it appears a reversal sign. So it is very, very important now. Only selling entry I will recommend is at 3070, below which you can expect that silver will turn bearish, and then you can look forward to 3050, 3040 as the first and 3020 as the next. Right now, what I do see here is rise retracement and then rise, then and a breakout is what I will await here. Yes, a breakout is what I will await here, which means a move beyond 3130, 3140 zone should be a very good indication for a reversal. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is right now trading bearish, RSI looking upwards. Coming to the day, on the daily charts, remember the point. See, first of all, yesterday what has happened, hitting the highs, we have seen a reversal, we have seen lower lows here. Today it has started on a flat note. It could still continue, but if it trades below 3070 levels, 3060 levels, you can expect more drop. And any drop below 3020 is the sign, 3020, 3030 is the sign that the bears will be taking over completely. What we are looking here is, see, the moving averages have crossed over. This is a bearish sign, drop, retracement, and it could, and what it is doing, just notice this. Where are the lows for this? Towards 2950. Be mindful of this. I will say, if silver trades below 3070, we can expect more bearishness here. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover, the RSI is flat. So looking at this, very, very simple. I will recommend you to sell here at 70 levels, expect it to move towards 3050, 3040 as the first target zone, 3025, 20 as the next. And if it trades below 3020, stay short, stay short. We are looking forward to a greater correction towards 2975, 80 is possible, 2950 is also possible here. That is the first point. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy at 3110, expect 3125, 3130 as the first target, 31 45, 50 as the second, and if it breaks this zone, stay bullish. Stay bullish. If you see silver trading above 3160 levels, we are looking forward to $32 levels as the next target. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch my next update before the US session. That gives you another good idea on how to trade with the data coming in with the US session, how to trade with the US session volatility. Do watch it as well. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. And do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships. Join the mentorship batch and the Signals channel as well. Thank you.